Welcome back, everyone. I wanted to take just a little bit of time to quickly discuss choosing Python 2 versus choosing Python 3. It used to be that if you were a beginner and you were just learning Python, it was actually a pretty difficult decision to choose Python 2 versus Python 3, because many companies still had legacy Python 2 code to be maintained. However, Python 2 was going to stop receiving security updates in the year 2020. And this course was initially released teaching both versions of Python. We taught both Python 2 and Python 3, and the versions were similar enough that it was easy to learn both simultaneously. And technically it still is. However, now every major external Python package has been updated to support Python 3. Basically, 99% of the top 300 packages of Python that are external packages you can download fully support Python 3, and some of them are even moving towards being exclusively for Python 3. And these are packages such as Django for web development, who will later in the future stop supporting Python 2. Because of this, now the course will focus solely on Python 3, and all the code, all the notebooks, and all the videos have been updated to just focus purely on Python 3. Now, if need be, going back to Python 2 syntax is a very easy jump once you know Python 3. So you can go through this course, learn the entirety of Python 3, the ins and outs of the Python programming language, and in case you get a job somewhere where they still have Python 2 legacy code, don't worry, you're not going to be completely lost. The languages are very, very similar. The versions of the languages are similar, so you can easily jump from one to the other. And I always like to say that if you know Python 3, you basically already know Python 2. You just need to learn a couple of syntax changes. And Python 3 really is the future of Python, so that's why we focus on it for this course. So just a short, really quick summary. Python 3 really is the future of Python, so we're going to be using Python 3 exclusively for this course. Now, the old notebooks are available in case you need some Python 2 information, but we're going to go ahead and get started by installing Python 3, and we'll be using Python 3 for the rest of this course. You have those old notebooks in case for some reason you need to reference legacy code. Thanks, and we'll see you at the next lecture where we begin installing Python.